Strange fish scales grew on the little girl's back. Every day, her mother scraped her back with a knife. Yet even after 10 years, new scales continued to grow every year. After a fierce argument with the mother, the father declared the girl a monster and cruelly abandoned her. Fortunately, a legendary master passing by discovered her and brought her to the mountains as his disciple. To everyone's surprise, the little girl possessed heaven-defying magical talent. At the age of 3, she could already tame wild beasts in the forest by herself. At the age of 7, she could shatter giant boulders weighing thousands of tons with a single punch. Until one day, she awakened the strongest magic and became the greatest mage in the world. At the same time, she learned that after being cast out of the family, her father had treated her mother terribly. Even the servants in the house could bully her at will. So she decided to return home and rescue her mother. On this day, the family was holding a tournament to choose the next clan leader. Her younger brother defeated everyone in the family. Just as her father was about to announce him as the heir, someone no one expected appeared.
And you think he's fit to lead Ironwood? No wonder your house has been rotting under our boots for years. Looks like House Ironwood of Blackbark is nothing but a bunch of nobodies. Listen up! Today, I, Corvin Stoneheart, eldest son of House Stoneheart, will take over your house and end this feud once and for all.
You arrogant fool!
Father, since Stoneheart came here looking for death, I'll be the one to give it to you.
Good!
Idiot. I'll show you what House Stoneheart is capable of.
My son!
Edmund! Are you all right?
Get lost, all of you! Get lost!
Just as I thought. You're nothing but trash.
Big words. Corvin Stoneheart! This is where you die!
Kill him, Lord Ironwood!
Father! Avenge me!
My lord!
Who's next? You? You? Or you? On second thought, come at me all at once.
What are you waiting for? Get in there! Whoever beats him becomes head of House Ironwood! Move! House Ironwood's honor is on the line! Are you really gonna let that Stoneheart walk all over us? Edmund! Go! You're my son! You can't back down now!
But I...
And Ironwood would rather die than kneel!
My lord, he's already lost. Why send him to his death?
Pathetic curs. Kneel to House Stoneheart, or be put down.
Master Stoneheart, I yield. Please, spare me. I'll serve you. I'll do anything you ask.
Good. That's how a dog should sound. How could you? From this moment on, Ironwood belongs to Stoneheart. You, Jack Stoneheart. You, John Stoneheart. And you've got the instincts of a good little dog. Fine. I'll let you rule in my name.
Thank you. Thank you, Master Stoneheart. From now on, I'm Edmund Stoneheart.
What are you waiting for? Kneel! Kneel, Master Stoneheart! You cowards! Have you no pride left? Is this really how House Ironwork ends?
I'll fight him!
My daughter, I know you'll return. Until that moment, I'll hold the line.
You stupid woman! Have you lost your mind? Are you trying to doom House Ironwood?
Well now, you think you can stand here with me? Tell me, can you even use magic?
No, but I dare to fight you.
Look at that! An old woman with more backbone than all the men of House Ironwood combined. Fine. I don't make a habit of slaughtering women. If you can survive 3 hits from me, I'll call it your win.
Agnes, come back! You are a woman! You have no business on a battlefield!
And yet, I'm the one standing here. 3 strikes.
Go on!
Try not to die too quickly. You barely lasted a breath.
Why is she still getting up?
Agus, stop! You can't win against a man! Know your place!
Don't mistake me for them. They choose to kneel. I don't. Where's your second strike?
She's still asking for more? Agnes, don't throw your life away!
She's lost her mind! Again!
If you insist!
Mother, wait for me.
All that talk, but you're still just a woman.
She got up again? You're still standing?
Eleanor, whether you make it back today or not, I want you to know, your mother will always stand by your dream. Live for yourself, and for every woman who's been told she can't.
Lady Ironwood, please, don't push yourself anymore!
Now, the third strike. Come on.
I heard you fell this low for letting your daughter escape, crossed Lord Wintermer for it. What, you still think she's coming back to save you?
You're wrong. I don't need her to come back. Knowing she's safe, that's enough.
I wasn't even trying before. But if you're so eager to die, I'll grant your wish.
Then do it. I'm not afraid of you. Eleanor, remember this. Your life is yours to shape. They say women are less than men, but we are not. We stand on our own, and we stand strong.
Women, stand on our own. Women,
We stand on our own.
Agnes! Why would you throw your life away like this?
Everyone dies. I've endured this house for over 20 years. Treated like nothing, looked down on, ordered around. And now look at you, all on your knees.
But I won't kneel. Let everyone see this. A woman's knees are stronger than any man's. Come on!
My daughter, I love you more than anything. But the road ahead, you'll have to walk it on your own.
You dared lay a hand on my mother. Cheer! You're dead!
Hurry, free for a limited time, click to watch now. Hurry, free for a limited time, click to watch now.